Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, today, I'm working on my 95 Mercury grandmarquis, and the driver's door, the door pins, well, the bushings and the door pins were just shot. You see here's one of them. It's just shot. Here are some of the other ones. And what was happening was the door was dropping so bad. Well, every time you would shut it, it would hit the door, the back door, and chip it. And here too as well. So had to do that because I couldn't even shut the door without putting the window down and lifting up on it. There's the door there. And like most newer cars, you can unplug the harness right here at the boot, but no. This bad boy, I had to take the whole harness out the door. All that goes inside the door. So these are the doorman. Hinge pin kit. I got it from Amazon. And there goes the new pins. So now I'm ready to put the door back on. Put the harness back in it while you're putting it on. And put everything back together. But yep, today's fun project. Be sure to like and subscribe.